Fuel efficiency is a big deal for car owners. We all want to save money on gas and do our bit for the environment. But sometimes our cars seem to have other plans. You fill up the tank, drive a short distance, and the fuel gauge seems to plummet faster than a roller coaster. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially with the ever-increasing cost of gas. So what are the usual suspects behind this fuel-guzzling mystery? There are several common culprits, ranging from simple things like tire pressure to more complex issues with the engine. Identifying the root cause is the first step towards reclaiming those precious miles per gallon. Let's start with the usual suspects. One of the most common culprits of poor fuel efficiency is low tire pressure. When your tires are underinflated, your car's engine has to work harder to keep you moving. This means it burns more fuel, leading to lower mileage. Next up, we have engine problems. A poorly maintained engine, clogged air filters, or faulty oxygen sensors can all disrupt the optimal air-fuel mixture needed for efficient combustion. This leads to wasted fuel and reduced mileage. Your driving style also plays a significant role. Aggressive acceleration and hard braking force your engine to work harder, guzzling more fuel in the process. Now, how do you identify what's causing your car to guzzle fuel like a thirsty camel? Start with the basics. Check your tire pressure regularly. You can find the recommended pressure in your car's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. A simple pressure gauge from any auto shop will do the trick. If your tires are good, think about your driving habits. Are you a bit heavy on the accelerator pedal? Try to accelerate smoothly and anticipate stops to avoid unnecessary braking. If you suspect engine trouble, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the problem and recommend the necessary repairs. Maintaining good fuel efficiency isn't just about saving money at the pump, it's also about reducing your environmental impact. By following these simple tips, you can keep your car running efficiently and your wallet happy. Regularly check your tire pressure, drive sensibly, and address any engine issues promptly. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your car sips fuel instead of gulping it down.